All right, I'm back. I am here to talk about science. So we have ended our chapter 7 about the atmosphere. You guys actually will have a quiz that you can, or test, however you want to say it. I know you guys love, like, is it a test? Is it a quiz? It's a test on chapter 7. You can actually use your book for it. And that is actually due on Monday. So you can work on that. We are starting chapter 8, which is about weather. Okay, chapter 8 about weather. This is starting on page 294. You guys are going to be watching a video, and as you're watching that video, you can pause it and fill in the questions there, and then you'll be submitting that to me. So I really want you to think about the weather. How often do you think about the weather? How many of you wake up every day and go, I wonder what the weather's going to be today? I feel like in spring, I am definitely more curious about what is the weather going to be. When it's summer, I pretty much can guarantee it's going to be blazing hot. We live in Sacramento. It's probably going to be in the hundreds. In spring, though, it's a little bit more, I wonder what the weather's going to be. It could rain. It could be sunny. It could be cloudy in the morning and then sunny later on. So it just kind of depends on the day during the spring. So I'm definitely more in tune with looking to see what the weather is going to be. Right now, actually, I want you to look up the weather for the week and which day is it going to be the hottest. Which day is it going to be the hottest? Okay. You don't have to write that down anywhere, but just what day is going to be the hottest. So what I want you to think about is, so on page 295, focus on the big idea. Think about the last time you took a hot shower. You may have noticed when you got out that the mirror was covered with a thin film of moisture. Where do you think this moisture came from? How did it get there? Would the same film of moisture appear if you took a cold shower? Okay, so think about that. If you took a cold shower, do you think the same moisture would appear? Okay, think about that. So we are just going to be, the only thing we're going to be doing is just thinking about the weather, looking up what the weather is going to be this week, and watching the video and answering the questions. Next week, we will start with section 1. We'll get back to our vocabulary and answering questions and reading that section. So that's what we will be doing next week. But this week, we're just going to be watching a video and answering questions. So welcome to the weather chapter. All right. I hope that you enjoy the beautiful sun today, and I will talk to you later. Bye-bye.